Getting a loan from Affirm is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through a mobile device. To start, you need to have a stable internet connection and a valid form of identification. First, go to the Affirm website or download the Affirm app on your mobile device. Once you are on the website or app, click on the Apply Now button to begin the application process. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, address, phone number, and social security number. Next, you will need to create an account by providing a valid email address and creating a password. This account will be used to manage your loan and track your payments. After creating your account, you will be asked to link your bank account to Affirm. This is a necessary step to verify your identity and to set up automatic payments. Once your account is set up and your bank account is linked, you can apply for a loan. You will need to specify the amount you want to borrow and the repayment term. Affirm offers loans with repayment terms ranging from 3 to 36 months. You will also need to provide some additional information, such as your income and employment status. After submitting your application, Affirm will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer. If you accept the loan offer, the funds will be deposited into your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. You will then begin making monthly payments, which will be automatically deducted from your bank account. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and to maintain a good credit score. You can track your payments and loan balance by logging into your Affirm account. If you have any issues or concerns, you can contact Affirm customer support for assistance. In summary, getting a loan from Affirm is a simple process that can be completed online or through a mobile device. By following these steps and making your payments on time, you can use an Affirm loan to finance your purchases and build your credit history.